Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am G. Ramprasanna, a student of class 8 in the Dots and Digits Maths class. During this lockdown situation, nature is at her best. Let us explore yet another problem of math that nature has created. In a peaceful countryside of Rampuri, there lived three people, Ramu, Raju and Somu, with their father who was a farmer. As they were doing their usual farming routine, they noticed a land near them and approached it. In the land, there were 21 trees planted in a perfect triangle as shown. The farmer made them a question regarding the field. His question was, if he wanted to make a triangular shape of ground using three trees placing one at each of the angles, how many possible ways of doing it were there? So, before we start solving the sum, we can divide it into three steps. Step 1, finding the total number of possibilities so that we can know how many triangles can be formed. Step 2, finding the collinear points. We know that collinear points don't form triangles and hence need to be subtracted. And third step, subtracting the collinear points from the total. Step 1, we have to find how many ways in which 3 points can be chosen from 21 points. A triangle has 3 points. Look at the example. Let us name that triangle as ABC. But we can also write it as CAB or even BCA. But we are still referring to the same triangle. We do not want the triangle to repeat. So that is exactly why we do 21 by 1. We also do not want the other triangles to repeat themselves. So we can do 21 into 20 into 19 by 1 into 2 into 3, and that will give us 1330 ways in which triangles can be formed in this particular ground. Step 2. Finding the number of collinear points. 3 or more points that are in a straight line are known as collinear points. We already know that with 3 collinear points, it is not possible to form a triangle. Let us take a look at the line DE. In the line DE, we can't form a triangle with these 3 points. It is a similar situation for line AB and the other lines that are parallel to it. So, we can conclude that in a line that has 3 points, we have one way in which collinear points can be formed. In a line that has 4 points, 4 ways. In a line that has 5 points, 10 ways. And in a line that has 6 points, 20 ways. So 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus 20 is 35, and that is for one side of a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, so we multiply 35 with 3 to get 105. But when we look at the triangle from its base BC, we get 3 more ways. Look at the blue lines. They are also collinear points. Well, we get the same from AC and AB. So 3 into 3 is 9, and 105 plus 9 is equal to 114 collinear points in this triangle. Amazing, we are almost there. We just need to do one more step, subtracting the collinear points from the different number of possibilities. In this step, we do the number of possibilities minus the number of ways that are not possible. Hence, we do 1330 minus 114, which is 1216. So, there are 1216 ways in which triangles can be formed from 21 points that are arranged in triangles. Wow, amazing! Ramu, Raju and Somu are very happy that you helped them solve the sum. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed nature's math problem and counting the number of trees.